Get ready for a potential furniture price hike. President Trump's tariff talk has the industry buzzing. But here's the catch. It might just be a golden opportunity for savvy shoppers. Trump's plan to impose tariffs on foreign furniture could mean higher prices for your next couch or dining set. And the buzz is real at International Market Square, a hub for furniture showrooms in Minneapolis. Aaron Smith, a furniture sales manager at A.J. Mason, predicts price increases. He urges customers to buy now, saying "1,000,000% without a doubt." Smith adds, "We're in uncharted territory. No one knows how high prices will climb, so it's better to act sooner rather than later." But fear not, there are ways to navigate these potential price hikes. The second-hand furniture market is thriving, offering a more affordable option. Online platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are also great places to find deals. For those who prefer new furniture, Ikea has a unique buyback program where you can trade in your old Ikea pieces for store credit. Additionally, stores like Slumberland and Hom Furniture offer in-store clearance sections with discounted furniture. So, will you be an early bird and beat the potential price surge? Or do you think the tariffs won't have a significant impact? Let's discuss in the comments. This is a topic that could spark some interesting debates. And remember, knowledge is power when it comes to saving money.